Hey, what's up, everybody? If anybody was thinking about getting a PGYTECH bag to carry your drones, I picked one up, and it's pretty good. I was able to put both my drones inside. I have the DJI Mavic 3 and the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and it fits nice in here. I got it because I needed a bag to carry 2 drones, and I had to keep carrying cases. So I picked this one up, and it's nice. Let me just show you how I configured it. So that everything fits in here perfectly fine. Let me just put it here. All right, so there we go. It fits my iPad with no problem. First, we start with the iPad Pro 10.5. This is the DJI Mini Pro. I left it in the case because it was easy to put in there. This is the case that comes with when you get the DJI Mini Pro pack. This is the case that comes with the soft case. Not the best, but it's great because it fits right here in the top of the bag. Nice and easy. I got this little patch that I Velcro to the side that comes with the bag with all my wires and cables in it. That just Velcro right across there. iPad fits snug in there with no problems. And then, obviously, configure this so that way it keeps the Mavic 3 in there secure. It's not coming out. It's pretty secure in there. Just Velcro it down. This is my extension brace for the iPad. See, pad fits right in there, no problem. Got my extra propellers. Filter case, all fits right in there. Batteries, power cord. Okay, and can't go nowhere without your laptop. And everything fits nice and snug in there. Like the bag. It's pretty cool. Not too heavy, but it fits everything with no problems. Easy to carry. Perfect. So if you want to think about getting a bag to carry your 2 drones, this is what I did. It works fine for me. Talk to you guys later.